Good morning, Class 8. I am Zarina Yaqub, your English teacher. This is our fourth lesson. Today, we're going to study the third stanza of the poem Last Lesson of the Afternoon, which is written by David Herbert Lawrence. In the previous two stanzas, we have seen that the students are getting totally out of control. The teacher is sick and tired of this situation in the class. The students do not do their work nicely. The poet says that he cannot go on with this anymore. In the third stanza, the topic of students' rough work continues. Let's start reading this stanza. So shall I take my last dear fuel of life to heap on my soul, and kindle my will to a flame that shall consume their dross of indifference, and take the toll of their insults in punishment? I will not. I will not waste my soul and my energy for this. What do I care for all that they do amiss? This stanza begins with a question which the poet is asking to himself. He is using a metaphor to express his feelings. The metaphor is putting fuel on the soul. We know that this is the last lesson of the afternoon. The teacher might be completely tired with very little energy still left. So he's asking himself if it is right that he wastes his energy for checking the careless and rough work, the work which the students have done without any interest. The poet sees this work as a punishment for him. He answers his own question, saying that he will not waste his energy for this useless work. This work is of no use for the poet because it will not make any change in the performance of the students. It is not worth his effort to destroy himself for those students who did not want to be helped at all. Now, after this explanation, look at page 76, question E, which is about the third stanza. Write the answer in your own words. Do your work properly. Take picture of your work and send me through WhatsApp. Till the next lesson, goodbye.